Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to our lecturer, Professor Dr. Andri Kustambiantoro. We, students from Section 1, Group 5 of the subject BNC42303, Project Development Procedure, will present to you our project of Broadly Defined Problem Project. Here is our group member, which starts from me, Muhammad HAFIZ bin Abu AMRIN, Melody Ong Hui Kyun, Muhammad HAMIZAN bin LUKMAN, Siti FARHANAH binti ZAINI, and BENG.
Alright, next, I will present about Part A, team member composition. Alright, team member composition. Muhammad Daniel Hafiz bin Abu Amrin. Daniel is our project manager, bringing years of experience in leading construction projects. His expertise includes project planning, scheduling, and resource management. Daniel ensures that our projects are delivered on time and within the budget. The second one is Siti Farhana binti Zaini. Farhana is our design specialist with a strong background in architecture and interior design. She excels in creating aesthetically pleasing and functional spaces using her skill in CAD software to bring concept to life. Next, Melody Ong Hyo-ki. Melody is our financial analyst responsible for budgeting and cost management. With a keen eye for detail and strong analytical skills, Melody ensures that our project remain financially viable and efficient throughout their development. Next, T. Bengsiu. T, as our quality surveyor, is a construction industry expert who manages and estimates costs for building projects. T also ensures projects stay within the budget, prepare contract document, and advise on procurement strategies to control financial risk and meet quality standards. The last one is me, Muhammad Hamizan bin Lukman. Hamizan, as our site manager, is responsible to oversee daily construction operation, ensure safety, coordinate tasks, and maintain communication among teams member and stakeholder. Next, position and responsibilities. Daniel Hafiz bin Abu Amrin, position project manager. Responsibilities for this project is Part C, which means housing layout and its arrangement. The responsibility of housing layout and arrangement is to design spaces that are functional, safe, and pleasing, considering factors like efficient use of space, traffic flow, safety measure, natural light, and aesthetic appeal. Next, Siti Nurfahana binti Zaini. Position, Design Specialist. Responsibilities for this project is Part B, Basic Design Concept. The responsibility of Basic Design Concept is to establish the foundational framework that guide the overall direction and development of a project. This include defining the purpose, scope, and objective of the design, ensuring alignment with client requirements, functional needs, aesthetic goals, and technical feasibility. Additional, basic design concepts set the tone for the project, visual and spatial qualities, ensuring coherence, clarity, and effectiveness in conveying the intended message or functionality of the design. Next, T. Bengsiu, position, quality surveyor. Responsibilities for this project is Part D, project development procedure, PDP. The responsibility of project development procedure is to carefully plan, execute, monitor progress, and make adjustment as needed to successfully complete a project on time within the budget and meeting quality standard. Next, this is me, Muhammad Hamizan bin Lukman, position Site Manager. My responsibilities for this project is Part A, Team Member Composition. My responsibilities is the responsibility of team member composition in a project involves selecting individual with diverse skill and expertise to ensure comprehensive coverage of all necessary aspects, fostering collaboration, creativity, and effective problem solving throughout the project lifecycle. Next, Melody Hong Hyo-ki. Position, Financial Analyst. Responsibilities for this project is Part B, Basic Design Concept. Same with Siti Farhana Binti ZAINI. The responsibility of basic design concept in housing involve creating a blueprint that optimizes space, promote functionality, ensure safety, enhance aesthetic, and meets the specific needs and preference of the inhabitants. Now, let's talk about introduction. Garis Panduan Perancangan (GPP) refers to planning guidelines which are detailed document outlining specific criteria, principle, and standard for the planning, design, and development of various projects. These guidelines serve as a framework to ensure that development activities are carried out in a systematic and organized manner, aligning with regulatory requirements and best practices in urban planning, architecture, and infrastructure development. The key element for GPP, Garis Panduan Perancangan, the first one is objective and scope, next, design principle, technical standard, land use and zoning regulation, environmental consideration, safety and accessibility, community and stakeholder engagement, and the last one is implementation and compliance. GPP aims to promote orderly and sustainable development while ensuring that projects contribute positively to the quality of life for residents and users. They are often developed by government agencies, planning authorities, or professional bodies to provide a comprehensive framework for achieving development objectives in a cohesive and integrated manner. Next, I will introduce about smart housing. Smart housing refers to residential environment that integrate advanced technologies to enhance convenience, comfort, energy efficiency, and security for inhabitants. These homes utilize interconnected devices and automated systems, often controlled via smartphone or other digital interfaces to optimize living conditions and support sustainable practice. Smart housing aims to improve quality of life by offering innovative solutions for managing utilities, monitoring home system remotely, and adapting to occupants' preferences in real time, fostering a more connected and efficient living experience. Smart housing represents a modern approach to residential living that leverage advanced technologies to enhance various aspects of daily life within home. Here are detailed components of smart housing. The first one is IoT, integration of technology. Next, convenient and comfort, energy efficiency, security and safety, health and wellness, customization and personalization, sustainability, data security and privacy, and the last one is cost consideration. Overall, smart housing represents a paradigm shift towards interconnected efficiency and personalizes living spaces that enhance quality of life through technology driven solution. Now, Now, let's see the objective of this project. Several objectives were focused on this project to provide an initial basis or set of guidelines of its execution. So, for this project, we have four main of the objective. The first one is to enhance the quality of life for residents through advanced smart home technologies. Second objective is to promote sustainable living practices that reduce environmental impact. The third objective is to create a secure and convenient living environment. And the last objective is to provide energy efficient and cost effective housing solution to provide energy efficient and cost effective housing solution. All right. Before I will pass to my next presenter. This is the last slide for the part A. So, I will explain about our company background. So, our company background is Smart Housing Sdn Berhad. Sdn Berhad stands for Sdn Berhad, which is a private limited company in Malaysia. Our company name is Smart Housing Sdn Bhd, location at headquartered in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Founded, Smart Housing Sdn Bhd was founded in 2020. um, Overview. Smart Housing Sdn Bhd specialized in the development and integration of smart technologies into residential building and homes across Malaysia. The company focused on enhancing living experience through innovative solutions that promote energy efficiency, comfort, security, and sustainability. So, our mission is to revolutionize the way people live by creating smart, connected home that improve quality of life and contribute positively to the environment. And our mission is to be a leader in smart housing solution recognized for innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Corporate culture. Smart Houses in Neighborhood fosters a collaborative and creative work environment where employees are encouraged to innovate and contribute to the company's growth and success. Value. We have four: innovation, integrity, sustainability, and the customer centricity. Market focus. Smart Housing in Neighborhood serve residential property developers, homeowners, and real estate investors who seek modern, efficient living solutions in urban and suburban areas of Malaysia. And the last one is our service. The first one is integration of smart home technologies. Second one, installation of smart security system. The third one is implementation of energy efficient solution. And the last one is customization of smart home features.
Good day to total. My name is Melody and now I'll be introduced about part B of our project, Basic Design Concept. SITI Eco Arcadia, which located in the EduHub Pago, is a growing educational and innovation hub in Malaysia. This project aims to create a modern, sustainable, and technologically advanced residential community. This development will integrate smart housing and green housing concepts to provide residents with a comfortable, secure, and environmentally friendly living environment. Our team had developed a residential housing project which named as Setia Eco Arcadia. For this project, we aim to establish a cutting-edge residential community that exemplifies sustainability and smart living, fostering a harmonious blend of modern technology and ecological responsibility. For this project, we apply dual concept of green housing and smart housing to create a sustainable, efficient, and technologically advanced residential area to the residents. Lastly, we also aim to design to incorporate state-of-the-art smart housing and green housing elements to ensure a sustainable and technologically advanced living environment. In this project, the comprehensive explanation of the adult housing concept will be using the smart housing and the green housing. First of all, for the smart housing, we will apply the smart lighting in the bedroom, bathroom, staircase, carport, living room, and the kitchen. And the smart lighting is an automated lighting system with the motion sensor and its ability to adjust the brightness according to the natural light and the occupancy. And for the smart lighting, we will use the brand of Philips, and the price is 250 per smart bulb, 600 for a starter kit with the 3 bulbs and a hub. And the next one is the climate control, such as the HVAC system. We will apply in living room, bedroom, and the common area. And the climate control is a smart thermostat and the air conditioning system that adapt to the weather condition, time of day, and occupancy patterns. And we will using the brand of Next Learning thermostat with the price of 1,200 per each. And in addition, we will install the alarm system in the kitchen, living room, and the bedroom with the brand of Ring Alarm Security Kit with the price of 1,000 ringgit Malaysia. And apart from that, we will also apply the IoT appliance in the living room. And the IoT appliance is the hub, central hub that connects various IoT devices with the brands of Google Nest Hub with the price of 400. And in addition, we will use the smart lock in the main entrance and the other door with the brand of August Smart Lock Pro with the price of 1,200 per lock. And for the common space, we will apply the CCTV with the name of Smart Surveillance Camera in the entrance gates, communal area, playground, strategic point within the diamond area with the brand of Allo Pro 3, and the price is 1,500 per each. Moreover, for the automated street lighting, we also apply in this project along the roads, pathway, and the communal areas with the brands of Philips with the price of 200 per unit. And next is the green housing concept that we will apply in this project. The first of all is the solar panel we will apply in the rooftops. It is the solar photovoltaic system to harness the renewable energy, and we will using the brand of Panasonic heat solar panel with the price of 5,000 per kilowatt that installed in this project. And the secondly is the solar water heater we will install in the rooftops and the utility areas, and it will using the solar energy to heat the water to reduce the cost of the electric bills. And the brand is Rihim solar water heater with the price of 4,000 per unit. And the next one is the low flow fixture we will apply in the kitchen, bathroom, outdoor area, and it is the water efficient fixture such as the faucet, shower head, and the toilets to reduce the water consumption with the brand of Kohler low flow fixture with the price of 300 per fixture. For the greenhousing, we also install a low E glass window for all the windows and the glass door in this housing project. We will use the brand of Saint-Gobain low E glass with the price of 200 per square meter. And for the open space, we will use the native plant landscaping in the gardens, parks, communal green space with using the local nurseries and the landscaping services with the price of 15 ringgit per plant.
Explained about the comparison with the concept adopted by another completed existed housing near Pago. The place that we choose is Harmony Vista. Taman Harmony Vista in Pago is a part of Bandar University Pago Township. The development focuses on integrating residential, commercial, and education facilities. The township features an open concept layout aimed at providing personal comfort and practical living. It includes a higher education hub with 4 reputed public installations aiming to create a vibrant and sustainable community. So there are some of the concepts that has been adopted in Harmony Vista residential housing. The concept that has been adopted is a stunning overview. The nestled in the peak square landscape of Pago, Harmony Vista is an excellent modern sustainable living. It uses the city beauty and green space. It has been surrounded by lush greenery and scenic vista, providing a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city life. It is also sustainable living at its core. It is more than a buzzword, it's a way of life. The community equipped with the state-of-the-art solar panels that harness renewable energy, significantly reducing carbon footprint and lowering energy costs. It is also connected and accessible, which is it is provided easy access to essential service and amenities. Another concept that has been adopted is open concept home. The open concept home refined modern living by combining elegance, functionality, and comfort. The design to enhance the flow of space and natural light. This home offers seamless living experience that caters to the contemporary lifestyle. The seamless space integration, which is Harmony Vista, eliminates unnecessary walls, creating expansive space and seamlessly connected living, dining, kitchen, living areas. The layout fosters a sense of openness and fluidity, making the homes more spacious and inviting. It is also sustainable and stylish interiors, which is the interiors of these concept homes incorporate eco-friendly material and energy efficient, which is for low VOC paints to energy efficient lighting and appliance. Every detail is designed to minimize environmental impact while providing a stylish and comfortable living environment. It is also community and lifestyle. It's open concept home in Harmony Vista, a vibrant and sustainable community. The neighbor offers a range amenities including park, recreational facilities and community garden, fostering a sense of community and promoting healthy, active lifestyle. The third concept that has been adopted is a well-integrated jogging walkways and cycling path just outside doorstep to encourage healthy living. It is energy efficiency and renewable energy, which is they are using a solar panel at the rooftops, and it's to reduce the community reliance on fossil fuels but also low energy bills for residents. It is also energy efficient appliances such as LED bulbs and smart lighting. This technology significantly reduces energy consumption and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The water conservation, which has a low flow feature to conserve water, feature low cost faucets, shower heads and toilets. This feature reduces water usage without compromising performance, leading to the substantial water saving. The rainwater harvesting. The community incorporate rainwater harvesting system to collect and store rainwater. The sustainable landscaping for native plant landscaping in Harmony Vista, which are well adapted to the local climate and require less water and maintenance. For the green building practice, they are using eco-friendly materials, which are homes are constructed using sustainable recycled and locally resourced building materials. This reduces the environmental impact on the construction and support the local economy. It is also using insulation and ventilation. A proper insulation and natural ventilation are integral to home design, ensuring that indoor temperature remain comfortable year-round. Next is sustainable transportation, which is for bike lanes and pedestrian path. The community feature safe and accessible bike lane and pedestrian path, encouraging walking and cycling as a sustainable modes of transportation. The public transport connectivity in Harmony Vista is also well connected to public transport network, making it easy for residents to commute sustainably. Lastly, the community engagement and education, which is workshop and programs, educational programs and sustainability practice, energy conservation and gardening are held to engage and empower residents. The Green Living Initiative, it's to participate in green living initiatives such as carpooling, energy saving challenges, and also community cleanup event. The last concept that has been adopted in Harmony Vista, it is safe and sound, a comprehensive system which is 24-hour system patrols, a team of professional security personnel who conduct regular patrols throughout the community. This continue present helps deter potential threats and ensure a quick response to any security incidents. The gate access. The community feature gate entrance and control access point. The security personnel monitor these entry points, ensuring that only authorized residents and visitors can be the community. The advanced surveillance technology, which is the CCTV camera, highly definition CCTV camera are strategically installed throughout the Harmony Vista, covering common area, entrance and key points within the community. And also lastly, the smart surveillance system, which is the system include a motion sensor and a real-time alerts.
And now I will be explain about the advantage and disadvantage of this residential housing project that adopts a dual concept of green housing and smart housing. The adoption of the smart housing and the green housing concepts in this Pago project present a multitude of advantages, including energy efficiency, water conservation, enhanced security, convenience, cost saving, and last one is the environmental sustainability. However, this benefit comes with certain disadvantages that we'll explain in the next slide. The integration of the smart lighting, climate control system, and the solar panel significantly reduce the energy consumption. For example, the smart lighting system will adjust automatically based on the occupancy and the natural light. And the next one is the solar panel. It will generate the renewable energy, decreasing reliance on the non-renewable resources and lowering the electricity bills. For the water conservation advantage, the greenhousing elements such as the low flow fixture and the native plant landscaping contribute to the substantial water saving, and it will reduce the water usage in the daily activities, while the native plant require less irrigation and preservation water resources. Moreover, the smart housing features like the integrated alarm system, smart lock, and the surveillance camera provide the robust security, and this system will offer the real-time monitoring, motion detection, and the emergency alert to ensuring the residential safety and peace of mind. And apart from that, the IoT appliances and automated system will bring unparalleled convenience and comfort to the residents, with the internet connected appliance allow for the remote control and the automation of the household tasks to save the time and the effort. Last but not least, the energy efficiency technology and renewable energy sources lead to significant cost saving for the residents to reduce the electrical and the water bills to ensure that they will efficient use of the resources.
Disadvantages of the adopted concept. The first one is for energy efficiency, which is it is only depends on the technology and weather efficiency. For the water conservation, it is very limited availability, and the security is also maybe has a cyber security risk. The convenience and comfort, it is very complexity and compatibility. For the cost saving, it has a high initial cost. Besides, the maintenance and repair cost is surely will be higher. The environmental sustainability, it is depending on the weather, and also the space consumption is very high too. Lastly, it also has a high maintenance and repair for the environmental sustainability, which is solar panels, solar water heater, low cost feature, and also native plant landscaping.
Now I will be explain our project that clear linkage to the Sustainable Development Goal SDG. The first SDG is the SDG 7, which is the affordable and clean energy. For example, the solar panel installed on the rooftops that generate clean electricity to reduce the overall energy consumption from the grid and lowering the utility bills for the homeowners. The second SDG is the SDG 11, which is the sustainable city and the community to enhance the sustainability and safety of the residential community. It will also promote the resource conservation and environmental sustainability. For example, the smart lighting system that adjusts will based on the occupancy and the natural light levels to reduce the energy wastage that will contribute to the creation of the energy efficient and sustainable community. The third SDG will be the responsible consumption and production. SDG 12, it will promote the responsible consumption through the use of the energy efficient appliance, water saving fixture, and the renewable energy sources. For example, the low flow shower heat, it will link to the SDG 12. And the next one is the climate action, SDG 13. It will reduce the carbon emission, mitigate the climate change, and also reduce the carbon footprint. For example, the solar water heater will link to the SDG 13 that reduce the need for the conventional water heating methods. The landscaping with the native plant will link to the SDG 15 Life on Lands that will support the local biodiversity, reduce the water consumption, and also promotes a healthier ecosystem and sustainability land use practices. Last but not least, it will be the SDG 17 Partnership for the Goals. For this SDG, it will emphasize the collaboration with the technology providers, sustainability experts, and also the local community to achieve its sustainable development objective. For instance, it will if this project will partnership with the renewable energy companies to facilitate the installation of the solar panel and also the energy efficient system.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Andri. And for now, let's start to talk about the part C, which is the housing layout and its arrangement. This is the development layout plan for the 120 one-story semi-D houses. Within our development plan, we plan on placing a masjid and also a community hall. The design of the development plan is placed in the shape of a tree with its end branches and its middle branches, with housing placed in the end of the branches and in the middle of the branches. The houses that we plan on producing are semi-D type of housing, which are built according to the Garis Panduan Pembangunan. As you can see in the top right picture, which is the end branch houses, the front setback and also the back setback is placed according to the standard of a minimum of 6.1 meters, while the setback for the side of the building is placed at 3.05 meters, which is for the middle branch buildings. Within this slide is the 3D view and also the plan view for our building. Within the plan view, you can see that we arrange the house according to smart housing standards and also sustainable housing standards, such as placing smart security systems, smart appliances. While for the sustainable part is placing double glazing windows and also solar panels for electrical reduction of power.
For the part of detailed flowchart, the process begins with the submission of a comprehensive project proposal by the applicant. This proposal includes all necessary documents such as project plans and any other relevant certifications. Once the application is submitted, the One Stop Center or SC conducts an initial review to check for completeness. If any documents are missing or incomplete, the OSC requires additional information from the applicant. In the next step, the applicant submit the project proposal and necessary documentation to the land office. The land office verify the authenticity and accuracy of these documents by ensuring that the proposed development adheres to zoning laws and land use regulations. Once the land office is satisfied with the submission, they forward the approved documents to the local authorities planning department for future review. The local authorities planning department conduct a thorough examination of the proposed development. The planning department may require the applicant to submit additional study or report such as traffic impact assessment. After a detailed review and any necessary revision, the planning department grants planning permission and forward the project to the local authorities building department. The building department is responsible for ensuring that the construction plan comply with all building codes and safety regulation. The building department may also conduct site inspection during this step to verify on-ground conditions. Once certified, they issue a building permit and allow construction to commence. In the next step, the engineering department focuses on the infrastructure aspect of the project, including water supply, drainage, road access, and other utility. Engineers review the plans to ensure that the infrastructure meet the required standard and can support the new development. Once the engineering department is certified, they provide their clearance and the project is moved to the OSC. The OSC consolidates all the approval and clearance from the various departments and finalize the entire project documentation. The OSC coordinates the final inspection and review by addressing any last-minute issues. Once everything is in order, the OSC issue the CCC signifying that the project is complete and meets all necessary regulation. For the part of mini meetings, we have two of mini meetings for our project, and the first one is on 27 June 2024, and the second is on 5 July 2024. The first mini meeting is about the division of tasks for our group members, and we also do some research to find more information about project and planning the project. And the last is learn about design concept. For the second mini meetings, we update our progress, and also we have a final discussion about design concept and make sure all the tasks divided for group member can be done on time.
Lastly, for the conclusion, SITI Eco Arcadia is a step forward in smart and green housing, which is mostly focused on the energy efficiency, water conservation, security, convenience, and environmental sustainability. It is also aimed to create a healthier and more sustainable living environment and aligned with multiple sustainable development goals, which is SDG. The purpose detailed layout for 120 one-story houses and project development procedure based on the industrial practitioners. Lastly, they serve as a model for future residential development, setting a standard for sustainable living.